carp rod was about to go again. I think it's gonna go. I think he's on. Yep, fish on. Small little nibbles. Oh, there we go. Fish on. I was hoping for a big channel cat today. Oh, here we go. Fish on. Fish on. Hey guys, welcome in. I'm Dave from Banana Sack Outdoors, and we are out here on this river. This is the Fox River. I've fished here. I haven't fished in this location ever, but we're gonna give it a shot. I have fished the Fox River a couple times this year. Caught a couple small fish. Actually caught a pretty big red horse sucker, and then a small channel cat, and like freshwater drum and stuff like that. But we're here to target channel catfish and carp. We're still in that 5x5 tournament. I got 2 fish on the board, which you've seen on the previous video, 2 carp at the small canal. So I came out here to test out a little bit bigger river. Heard there's some big fish in this area. Could be wrong, or they just might not bite today, or we might hook into some monster fish, hopefully. I got lights too, so we're gonna stay here at least a little late. I don't know how late we're gonna stay, but we're gonna stay into the night and hopefully catch some target species, and there's a possible chance we catch a flathead or something too, which isn't part of the tournament, but it'd still be awesome to catch one because I haven't caught one this year, but I know this river is known for flathead catfish as well. So yeah, let's stay tuned and let's get this fishing adventure started right now. Never fished in this location before. I fished kind of close, but never actually at this spot. I've Google Earthed this spot a few times, and then I saw a guy on TikTok fish right here, and I messaged him. Oh, I don't know if my pack bait's, oh there we go. I didn't know if it was wet enough. It might not be. Might have to dump a little, just a tad bit of water in there. But I got enough sticking right here. Here we go. First pack bait going out. First one. I couldn't tell what actually flew off, but I'm pretty sure most of the pack bait stuck to the method weight. Come on, baby. That's good enough. Huh, doesn't seem that deep here. It's got to be deep enough because there's a lot of boats, but maybe we're on the shallow side. The water's kind of high. I don't know how high it is because I don't normally fish here, but we got a bunch of rain, a bunch of hail, a bunch of storms. Oh, we got live shad. Let's go. We might catch some catfish after all. I wonder how shad does on a bobber. I didn't catch a lot, but I got a couple. They'll die in my minnow bucket, but it's all right. Got 4 right now. Maybe I'll try to catch a couple more. Oh, really? We'll do one more cast with this. That's cool. That was easy bait. There we go. Now I got enough shad for tonight. I didn't catch that many more, but I got like 8 or 9 altogether now. Caught another 4 more. Nice. We are officially fishing with all 3 rods. Boom, boom, boom. Let's have all 3 go down. Wouldn't that be awesome? I might trip over that, I know that. We need a slight breeze, because I feel like the skeeters are about to pop out. Especially once I turn that light on. Oh, just gotta bite on the, here we go. Maybe. Nope. Had a take though on my catfish rod. Thought I felt him. Nope, he took my bait. Oh. Maybe. Center rod. Almost went. Oh man, he was taking it when I had it in my hand. He dropped it. All right, we got stuff taken. I don't know if you guys heard it. It started taking line out. Went to set the hook. Nothing. I didn't even feel weight. He must have dropped it right then and there. But that means there's fish. I'm gonna check my catfish bait too. I have a feeling I lost my what do you call it? My shad. Center rod and left rod are getting hit right now. Small little nibbles. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Small, whatever it is. Oh my God. That's it. I caught a freshwater drum with my cut up shad. That was so quick to catch. I didn't think, I mean, I've seen drum catch that, but I've caught drum on like green sunfish. There we go, guys. No skunk. Let's go. Here we go. Little freshwater drum or sheephead, whatever you guys want to call it. No skunk. Wrong species. He devoured this thing though. That's probably what I would catch if I casted out night crawlers. That's what I was thinking, like if I cast it, because I was thinking I got a rod set up for night crawlers right now if I want to. I also got a rod with a big hook and a bobber. I was hoping to catch some, like a big bluegill. Actually, the river is flowing too fast for me to use it. It doesn't look like it, but it's flowing fast enough to not use a bobber. I'd have to recast every 5 minutes or 3 minutes. That thing came in so quick. I was expecting a nice fish, and that thing just like came hurling in. Oh yeah. Oh, he's still kind of alive. We'll use a somewhat alive shad. Maybe I'll catch a little bit bigger fish. He's barely alive though. He's like just fidgeting. Oh. Carp rod was about to go again. I think it's gonna go. I think he's on. Yep, fish on. Oh, I don't think he's big. Whatever it is. Something. It's not big. Oh, he knows he's hooked now. I don't know what you are, the way it's fighting. Oh, I think it's a buffalo. I think it's a buffalo. Oh, I forgot. I can't net with that hand. Fish on. we're catching all the wrong species. Got him. All right, guys. Second fish. It almost looks like an albino. All right, got him out. Got a buffalo. Here we go. Nice buffalo right here, guys. See it? We can weigh it. Thank you, guys. There, little looks like a smallmouth buffalo. Second species, second fish. Wrong target, but it's still fun catching. We'll let this one go right now. Buffalo can be a good flathead bait too. Couldn't tell if I was getting a bite on that shad or not. I was hoping for a big channel cat today. Oh, here we go. Fish on. Fish on. Doesn't feel big. Oh. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. Got him. We got him. Still the wrong species, but still a fun catch. It's another buffalo. 5.58. He's smaller than the last one, so it doesn't matter. So this one doesn't count. He was too small. I'll show that. Oh, he's got a sore too. He's all beat up. Look, he's got that. You guys see that? That split tail. And he's got this sore, like a leech or something was on him, or I don't know. You see that? See that? Kind of crazy. Okay. Third fish of the day. Oh yeah, could be. I think they're out here. I've never seen one on a fish, never seen a lamprey on a fish, but could be. All right, cool, third fish. Put this right away. And we'll fish for another, what, 7 minutes or something? All right, guys, that's gonna be it. Fun time out here on the Fox River. Didn't catch my target species, but we did catch 2 buffalo in that freshwater drum. Fun times, had a bunch of nibbles, a couple good bites on the shad hits, a couple good shad hits. But yeah, it's fun time, first time fishing this spot. Definitely gonna come back. Had to stop a little early, gotta go home. Didn't realize what time it is. I got it planned next time for a late night and talk to the wife, make sure I can stay out super late. Didn't realize it's already 10:30. So gonna head home, but maybe I can do a midnight stream or something, or do an all night thing and see what we can catch here. Maybe we can get some channel cats or flatheads also, or maybe even catch a carp. That'd be fun. But thanks for all coming in. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for, and don't forget to give a like and comment on the video if you want me to come back here again, which I will no matter what, so you don't have to comment, but I appreciate it if you do. So thanks for all coming in, guys. Talk to you later, and peace.